me just put it on tape and talking over here. Wait, let me get out a cell phone so I can say what time it is. So here's the date and time, right? See that? It's, what does it say there? 2011, 27 June 2020. Can you see that in the phone, hopefully? I hope so. Anyway, so, and I'm just recording off the radio. And I'm recording me, so I'm just talking, but get my big head over here, talk to this side here. And then get my big self over here and talk to the other side of the 7110K. Alright, and so, and then I'm recording like that, and then I flip it back to the radio briefly. So, and then back to me, and then here we'll tune the radio just a bit and flip it back to the radio. So
I told you the level of concern, but you won't. I can't.
Whoa, now tell me if something going on, man. Normally we got Christina V, the weight loss boss, repping for Renewed Medical Weight Loss, but today we have somebody special. This is Cardi P, right?
Yes, this your girl Cardi P, and I'm just letting you guys know that I'm rocking with Renewed Medical Weight Loss. And guess what? They're not even gonna let you lose your
Thanks, Cardi P. And somebody else wanted to say something too.
Yeah. Yes, this is your girl, Queen P. And I just wanted to let everybody know that I too am rocking with Renewed Medical Weight Loss. Blue, please sit down. Mommy is trying to make a commercial. I can't do anything with her.
That's my.
Put it back on tape. Should hear me. Let me just put it on tape and talking over here. Wait, let me get out a cell phone so I can say what time it is. So here's the date and time, right? See that? It's, what does it say there? 2011, 27 June 2020. Can you see that in the phone, hopefully? I hope so. Anyway, so, and I'm just recording off the radio. And I'm recording me, so I'm just talking. Get my big head over here, talk to this side here. And then get my big self over here and talk to the other side of the 7110K. Alright, so, and then I'm recording like that, and then I flip it back to the radio briefly. Back to me, and then here we'll tune the radio just a bit and flip.
I told you the level of concern, but you won't. I can't.
Whoa, now tell me if something going on, man. Normally we got Christina V, the weight loss boss, repping for Renewed Medical Weight Loss, but today we have somebody
headphone
special.
jack,
This is
and then
Cardi P, right?
AC input along with DC input.
And I'm just letting you guys know that I'm working with Renewed Medical Weight Loss. And guess what?
Alright, so I lose my shoe. I lost my shoe. Oh no.
Thanks, Cardi P.
Gotta get my.
Somebody else wanted to say something too, yeah.
Alright.
Yes, this is your girl, Queen P.
Gotta keep my foot clean. 24 April 2020 on the other side. Okay. On the other side, some other old recording.
I'm still playing that, so.
Oh gosh, too much fun here. So that's just a really old recording there. Pardon me while I try and get my short foot back into my sandal. Damn it, can't do this one-handed. All right, so. Now there's that famous thing. There we go. Alright, so let me pick this back up. So it works like that. Okay. Another. Alright, so that all works, right? So let's hit stop, eject, get that out, and then get this here, which is that. Throw that in here, okay? And let's see here, so if we hit play, and of course the all-important rewind, so you hit rewind and it's evidently rewinding, right? So I'm supposed to go back to the beginning of that song, wherever that is, and start playing again, right? Better do it. Done several times before in the past. Well, it's still rolling. It's a big tape, long tape. I'll do it someday. Oh, I'm forwarding it, that's right. Well, Well, just, let's see, what else can I show you? Here, while it's doing that, we can show you it's that model there, okay? And it's running on, takes 6 C batteries. It's running on Znter 1.5 volt batteries, okay? Anyway. Well, I didn't test it too well with this tape, but there's the fine-tuning knob for the shortwave. It's still fast-forwarding. There it finally went. Golly. There's the beginning of whatever song that is. Okay, so I don't want to sell that music, but let me kick that out and put in a different tape, which I have in my pocket here. Where? This one? No, in this pocket. Here. Yeah, we got, what do we got here? Here's a well-worn Radio Gaga. Okay. Slap that in. Hit play. Let's rewind it. Okay, so it should rewind to the next. Oh, there it goes. Let's rewind it back to the song before that. But rewinding is easy. It's the fast forwarding that is often the case with these, because if the belt is not tight, then it won't. So that worked. See if we can get it back to the beginning of Radio Gaga. Okay, so bear with me. We sit here and listen to it rewind. Watch the tape kind of roll along. It's okay, so there we go. Almost there. Gonna do it. Did it. Yay. And then of course, now let's do the fast forward. Since we know it, like I said, it wouldn't, you know, there was a machine on eBay recently, or I don't know how long ago, but it went for very little, but that's because the fast forward wouldn't work. And I tried to show in a video earlier today about the jack shaft, how this thing works. It flips to one side versus the other, depending on the tightness of the belt. And if the belt is not tight enough, then fast forward won't work. Okay, hope you understand that. What am I doing? 8 minutes? This is store-bought tape. It's supposed to have that 4-second space in between songs, but it's not doing it. Eventually, hopefully it'll do it. This is, after all, a music search based upon... I didn't even clean the heads of this thing when I put it all back together, but I did put it all back together after servicing this thing, putting 2 new belts in it and everything. So, and let's see here, what is this? A warning, something about set the voltage select. Yeah, it's got world voltage, in case you didn't know. Got world voltage. There it went. Finally, beginning of whatever song. Well, is there a song? Is that the end of the tape? At the end of the last song? Okay, must be. Let's see here, let's hit stop, eject, and pop this out, flip it over, and put some music on ever so briefly. So, it sounds right. It records, the radio works. I didn't check all the bands. Let's check all the bands. Golly. Put it back on radio.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
So we got that. We got shortwave 1. I only have 2 sections up. Right? So. I don't normally come out here and play. That's shortwave 2. You could pick up some, but I don't have it fully extended either. So.
For you, which is
are they using it to spread misinformation, or
provides the power to deliver?
I don't listen to AM that much. You can if you want, but you know, I prefer to listen to FM. So there's whatever that is. And again, you can, you know, blow away that. But anyway, I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Wasted too much of your time, but this has all been repaired by me. Is what I like to do. This could be for sale, but well, I'll just let y'all view this. I'll make another third video of this of how I repaired it and about all the happy little extra things you got to know about putting the door back in, or yeah, the door mechanism. That's a little fun thing to do there. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Let's see here. Oh, it is off. Turn the camera off. Ah, okay, let me just set it back here. All right, in the dirt. All right, so there it is. Let's see. The antenna. Okay, wait. Let me just set this thing down. Let's look at it. All right. All right. Let's look at something. Okay. There we go. So we got play. I can't really play anything, can I? Okay. So that's what it looks like. It's got a, as tall as I am. It's got a antenna that goes, I don't know, about 3 feet antenna, 3-section antenna. So it's about 3 feet. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's up there somewhere. But anyway, I'm having too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to take a bit more relaxation and say goodnight and just whatever. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go.